My name is Rajiv Pathak. I am founder and CEO of Funtoot. We are a company which is Bangalore based, 3 years old. We are in personalized learning space. Our solution Funtoot helps every child based on child's individual capacity. We are 80 people organization. Many of them are from IIT, IIMs. We have done education research, technology research, and based on that, we found that it is extremely complex process to provide individual personal assistance to every child in classroom. And therefore, we thought we will build some solution that can be used by every child, which will help every child based on each child's intelligence level, attention span, speed of learning, the issue that he or she faces, his interest, etc. So that's what Funtoot does. Funtoot kind of discovers, assesses, diagnoses, interacts, encourages, and helps every child dynamically on the fly every minute, the way human would do if a human is there with the child to help. As far as the Funtoot's implementation is concerned, Funtoot right now is being used in dozens of schools in India, with more than 25,000 kids using and benefiting out of it. We have seen significant improvement in kids due to our program. Our program caters to all curriculums like IB, CBSE, ICSE, state boards. Because it is used by every child, it is used either in computer labs or at home or at both places. So we have schools of both types. It helps really teachers because a lot of tasks the teacher used to do, now Funtoot can do. And therefore it is in some sense a true assistant to every teacher. But it is by and large used outside classroom, that is in labs and at home. Our plan is to really take Funtoot to 10 lakh kids in 4 years time, and we compulsorily take it through schools. We integrate it with the school curriculums, and therefore we estimate that we will be in 1,000+ schools in 3 to 4 years time. I think that's pretty much about us. So right now Funtoot, as I said philosophically, is really to help every child, and we believe the best help you can do to the child is in partnership with the school. So currently Funtoot is only available through school, not to individual parents directly. So the schools who decide to take it, the parents and kids there get to use it. As far as charges are concerned, it is very affordable. It costs 20% of what parents spend on tuitions, etc. So it is really very affordable, very cost effective for every child, parent, and school. So to answer the point, that is Funtoot only meant for private schools or to government schools or both? The answer is yes, but right now we are focused more on private schools. But however, we, as part of our CSR initiative, we are running Funtoot in few institutions which are rural schools, either government funded or donation based, and their Funtoot is being provided in a complimentary manner. There is a school near Ajmer, and there is a school which is going live in Orissa, wherein Funtoot has been offered to tribal kids and to rural kids in a complimentary manner. And we will continue to do our bit to help underprivileged kids across India. Wherever there is a need, if we come to know, we will help them. We are right now present in North India, South India, and Western India. So we have our teams in Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Lucknow, Chandigarh, etc. So almost every state capital, minus few states of the east, we are present. Thank you.